Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 9 and today I will show you how to put the device into FastBoot mode. And to get started, simply hold power key, select power off and wait for the device to shut off. And once that has happened, you want to hold power key and volume down, so let's do that right now. And there we go, as you can see we're now in the FastBoot mode. So that is how you would boot your device in this mode, and to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key for about 10 seconds or more. Basically keep holding it till the screen turns off. And as you can see we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.